Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Huawei Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, go to Home, and now you can add loyalty card, coupons and gift cards. Let's select loyalty and select Add New. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually, like card number, company name, your name, and expiration date. Tap done and it's set. Now, let's go to coupons, and same as in loyalty, enter company name, coupon, expiration date, coupon number and source. In the end, let's go to gift cards, and again, enter card number, company name and expiration date. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.